We were looking at different markets in Montana. Helena was identified as a market that was underserved. Who better to serve that than a local Montana company? So we decided to put our money where our mouth is and put our own fiber in the ground in Helena, Montana. The design of it is so that we can add different customers and give alternative connectivity options to people that don't have them today. Outages are a function of a network. Everybody's going to have them, and so our thought was, what is the best way to service our clients? Assist their ability to operate in any technical environment. And what came out of that was an SD-WAN product. Your primary connection is through VisionNet fiber. Your secondary connection is through any myriad of different carriers, whether it be 4G, whether it be traditional copper, doesn't really matter. We have a piece of hardware with software applied that balances those connections in between, and if anyone is not performing up to spec, it rolls more traffic to the other. If one was to absolutely go away during an outage condition, the other one takes over in a seamless fashion for the services that ride over that connection. That's what we see as a protected connection in the enterprise and small and medium business market. On top of that, our hosted voice solution and our security products will be a great complement to those connectivity options. Pretty much anywhere in Helena we can get to, or we're close by. And again, it's to offer options that aren't available today through a local Montana company, supported in Montana by people from the same state, right down the road. We've got an office in Helena, we've got another one in Great Falls, another one in Billings, another one in Missoula. So we're expanding. Things are going well, and we're hoping to get some new customers to enjoy that same success.